Hi everyone and welcome to Linguistics with Najib. In today's lecture, I'll be discussing, uh, you know, parts of speech or word classes. So, according to Ren and Martin, words which are divided into different classes and groups, according to their meaning and grammatical functions, are called parts of speech. So remember, we have got 8 parts of speech in English. We do not have 9 parts of speech. Those grammarians who say we have got 8 parts of speech, they are including the determiners in parts of speech. And those who say we have 8 parts of speech, they say that the determiners are the specific type of adjectives, and actually they are the adjectives. So the authentic thing is that we can say there are 8 parts of speech. We do not have 9 parts of speech. So uh, now the grammarians have divided the parts of speech into 2 categories. The first category is called the open class words or class of parts of speech, or closed class words, or you can say closed class of parts of speech. So here are some points that I would like to discuss today. The first one is their number is not limited. Actually, the words or the parts of speech that we have got in open class of parts of speech, they are unlimited, remember, and their number is limited. We can count them. They're specific or they're few in number, so they're limited and they are unlimited. Okay, so they are nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, and they are pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Point number 3, please. We can use prefixes or suffixes, with them. For example, we can use prefix or suffix before or after the word noun and verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Let's understand prefix. Prefix is a syllable that is used before a word to change its meaning, and suffix is a syllable that is used after a word to change its meaning and grammatical function. So, how can we use prefixes before the nouns? For example, if I say the word, king, it's a noun, and if I use the word ex king, so x is called the prefix. And if I use suffix after the word king, I can say kings, kings. This s is called the suffix, right? We can use suffix with words. For example, if I say arrange, so arrange is a verb in ment. It's it's a suffix, right? So we can use the suffix or prefix with the adjectives. For example, if I say important, unimportant, and if I use small into smaller, and nice into nicely, and we can use prefix or suffix with adverbs too. So they take actually the prefixes or suffixes. On the other hand, we can't use prefixes with or suffixes with them. We can't use, they do not take actually the prefixes or suffixes. The next point is they are flexible. They are flexible. What do I mean by flexible? Flexible means that we can change them from one class of the word to another class of the word. For example, we can change a noun into adjective and verb into a noun, etc. For example, if I say the word cloud, sorry, here I like to write cloud, cloud, it's a noun, and if I use cloudy, it became an adjective. So we can change one word into another word, so the noun turn into the adjective by adding a suffix. If I use the word play, it's a verb, and I can change this verb into a noun by adding suffix er. Player, it's a noun. We have different examples, and now if I use the word beautiful, it's an adjective, and if I use here ly with this, it will become an adverb. So that's called flexibility. So these class of parts of speech are flexible. They can be changed from one class of parts of speech into another class of parts of speech. And they are inflexible. We cannot change the pronouns into we cannot change pronoun into prepositions or preposition into conjunction or interjection, etc. We cannot change them. Actually, they are the same. The next point is a lot of new words are added in English. The coined words belong to open class of parts of speech. Every year, every day, in Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, many words are added, in a dictionary, and the new words are called coinage. Actually, in linguistics, we have a terminology coinage. Coinage means the invention of new words. So the coin words belong to open class of parts of speech. The coin word can be a noun, can be a verb, can be an adjective, or can be an adverb, right? And we cannot coin new words in closed class of parts of speech. They are fixed. They are the same, right? The last but not the least point, that they make a major part of English dictionary. Exactly, they almost the entire dictionary is made of all these open class of parts of speech. We have a lot of words, uh, you know, which play an active role, or which play a vital role to make a major part of English dictionary, and those words are the open class of parts of speech. On the contrary, they do not make a major part of English dictionary. So this is all about our today's video. My next video is gonna be about the all the subtypes of or subfields of the word classes. For example, noun, pronouns. In detail, I'm going to discuss them. So thanks for watching.